Why is chutney hand ground in a mortar and pestle tastier than a chutney ground in a blender or mixie? 1. Hand grinding with stone produces a smaller and more consistent particle size. A mixie's blade moves only in one direction. So particle size varies based on which part of the chutney spent more time in contact with the blade. 2. The high speed of a mortar produces heat, and the flavors in your chutney come from volatile aromatic compounds. And at high temperature, they're more likely to evaporate and be lost. Hand grinding happens at room temperature, so fewer flavor molecules are lost. This is why idli or dosa batter made in a mixie does not ferment as well as a wet grinder. The heat kills most lactobacteria. 3. A mixie introduces more air into your chutney than hand grinding does. And that causes more oxidation of flavor molecules in your spices and herbs. But if you like hand ground chutney, make it yourself. Don't force other people to make it for you.